What's up guys, कैसे हो Eleanor? Hope everyone is doing great. So welcome to the second video of this series with excluding that preparation video. So I guess officially this is third video. So now the time is 5 p.m. I guess. So date is 5:15 p.m. and the date is 10th March. So now the plan is to go to Rock Beach, or it is also called as Promenade Beach, to experience the sunset in Pondicherry. So and also like Satvik is also coming, right? So he may come here to Pondicherry by 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. So once he comes, so we all go to have a dinner and then come back to room and plan tomorrow's itinerary and go to bed based on the time which we have to get up and which we have to move from the hotel. So let's see what other people are doing. So here Karthik and Gautam are there. They are also all ready to go. So what these people are doing? Hi bros, are you ready? Alright, this fellow is fond of pigs. Yashwant Rai. ఏంది ఫ్యాంటసీ అందరూ బ్లాక్ కలరా? నాకు లేదు మరి. ఓకే, shall we move? Prabhat, Yashwant, let's go.
I am ready. Arey, one.
How it is, bro? Chalo, all ready to go. So we got our rented vehicles there, so two-wheelers. So now we have to go there and take that bikes and go to the nearest beach, that is Rock Beach, and is also called as Promenade Beach. So Gautam is having somewhat headache, so he wanted to have coffee or tea. You also need. So we are planning to have lassi shop, go to lassi shop and have a milkshake.
Fantastic! Oh, that's great! Yeah, excellent body language, yeah. What a performance, yeah.
So I hope all of you have watched the first and second video of this series, and from now the actual and the real exploring starts here at Pondicherry. So what are each and every place we explore will be shown here, and if you in future if you are planning also, it will be helpful for you, and stay tuned to the all fun and all exciting videos. The breeze here, you can see that here. So we are parking our vehicles here. అరే చూడరా, అది సముద్రం చూడరా, వేరే వేరే. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఫర్ మీ టు ద బీచ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద రాక్ బీచ్ అండ్ సో దేర్ ఇస్ అ బీచ్ రా, ఇక్కడ ఉంది.
అరే అదే రా మనం చూసింది.
అరే నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు ఫోటో, దిస్ ఫెలో ఇస్ రెడీ విత్ కెమెరా ఆల్సో. అరే రే, దిస్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇస్ వెరీ గుడ్ మ్యాన్. Actually, this is the first time experience of me coming into the beach, and especially this is Rock Beach of Pondicherry. Really crazy experience, guys. So here at the Rock Beach, Pondicherry, you can see that waves, right, and how much force it is coming. Wow. So we want to go near to that bridge, Promenade Beach bridge. So that's why we are coming this side. This is total French Street. How is your experience, bro?
Exhilarating.
Gautam, how is your experience?
It's very good.
I think you already came here, so you have completed the All India ride also.
All India.
Gandhi statue, and here is a rock beach. So now there is no lighting, right? So it is that is how it looks. This is very cool, right? So no vehicles are allowed here. Okay, on this road vehicles are not allowed. So tomorrow morning once again we'll come here to explore all these things, because it is already night. We can't explore much here, so we wasted our time in the lassi shop. So all these people are busy in photo shoot. So this is a rock beach, right? So there is a Mahatma Gandhi statue. So tomorrow morning once again we'll come here for the sunrise. So as you know, this Pondicherry is towards the east side of India. So we can experience a very good sunrise point. I'm expecting that. So let's see tomorrow what is going to happen. And that is a Gandhi statue, and here it is a French War Memorial. So let me show you with the back camera also. So with 1 to 1.5 hours left for Sarthik's arrival, so he may arrive Pondicherry at any time. So we are not going to hotel now. So waiting for his arrival. So till then we wanted to once check out the city. It looks beautiful in this night lightings. So in some movies we'll see some foreign scenes, right? It is same like that. Now I will show you with the rear camera, and if possible I will also go there and I will show you with the time lapse. You can see how that looks like. I think it looks even better if we go there. Really fell in love with this city, man. It's beautiful and amazing. So we should visit at least one time in the life. Good morning. So now we have to go to Rock Beach for sunrise. So these fellows didn't wake up. Prabhat, chalo Prabhat. Ishant. So Karthik and Gautam. Hey, Gautam, Karthik, le. So good morning. We got freshed up ourselves and everyone is ready now. So we are ready to move. So before that, a cup of coffee because we may have our breakfast a little late today. So after the sunrise, so you know, right? So if we sit for a photo shoot, it will take at least 1 hour to 1.5 hour easily. And wait, slow. Some things which I observed in Pondicherry is like there is a lot of traffic even in the small streets also, right?
Yeah.
And one more thing is no one is following proper traffic rules here. And according like in our Telangana and Andhra, no traffic police are very strict about helmets, right? Here there is nothing like that. And coming to like the time from which when I entered Chennai, so from there onwards I can feel a little bit rise in the humidity. Like it was very hot in the afternoon timings. So by the evening it is becoming cool. And even though in the hot sun, like in the evening, like 12 to 3 to 12 to 4, in that time, so it is very hot. Means humidity is very high, but the breeze is very cool. Like the cool, we can feel the cool wind. So you know, right, coastal areas. So that is the specialty of it. So let me have a cup of coffee and then directly we'll move to Rock Beach for sunrise. So I think what is the time actually?
5:10.
We booked our hotel such a way that it will be the center of the all the places. Like so, from this hotel, each and every place is in the radius of 5 kilometers. That's it, not more than that. Only the Paradise Beach is away from it, so it is 10 kilometers, I guess. That's it. Everything except that, everything will be in the 5 kilometer radius circle.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, దిస్ ఈస్ ప్రభాత్.
ఏదో చెప్పాలనిపించింది ఫ్రెండ్స్.
చెప్పాలనిపించి చెప్పేసాం. బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
Hi friends. Bye friends.
So, hi guys, we are here to experience the sunrise from the Pondicherry Rock Beach. So, just kept the time lapse here. From the last 50 minutes, the camera is running. So, I am vlogging from another camera. So, I mean another mobile. So I hope every one of you enjoyed that time lapse. So it took around 58 minutes of hard work and with 58 minutes of patience also. Okay. So I really literally enjoyed the sunrise here. So looking forward to see even more in future also. Not only from different places of the country. Okay. And so what else like? So now we will go to the near to that Mahatma Gandhi statue. Like yesterday night I have shown you the French War Memorial and Mahatma Gandhi statue, right? So night visibility was less and we were not able to see it actually properly. So now we will go there and our plan is to go to that bridge, but so what exactly happened is the public are not allowed onto that bridge itself. So that plan was flopped and unfortunately we came here and here the view is amazing. And literally like I can see most of the people came for a morning walk here. So it is really a very nice experience.
Hi friends.
Wow. So if they would have allowed us onto this bridge, this experience would be much more crazier than what we have experienced now. This is a white town actually, a French colony. This is such a beautiful colony, right? I really loved this. So from yesterday onwards we are roaming in this colony itself. It's very peaceful and we can see the infrastructure here is very good. So we had a small photo shoot in this colony also. So I will upload those pics in also in the Instagram. So this is my Instagram handle. You can join there and you can watch those pictures and give a like. So now we are near the Mahatma Gandhi statue, which we missed yesterday. Like we have seen it in the night view. So now I am seeing it in the day view. So here is our first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru statue. And here is the Mahatma Gandhi statue. Actually this is a no vehicle zone. That's the reason this is very clean here. You can see just beside the beach there is one statue, Mahatma Gandhi statue. And here is the French War Memorial. So yesterday night you have seen it in the night view. So now this is the day view of French War Memorial. To all the martyrs in that war, a big salute to all of you. This is how it looks. So time to leave Rock Beach now. So mostly we have explored everything in this area. So like French War Memorial, Gandhi statue, Nehru statue, and yesterday night I have shown you street food, right? That also like, and then beach, everything, sunrise, everything done with the Rock Beach. So now we will go to have our breakfast, then go to room and fresh up ourselves, and then we have to go to temple, Vinayagar temple. So just now back to room. Now I have to fresh up and get ready for the rest of the exploration of the city. So today's plan is to explore each and every important place inside the city itself. So tomorrow we will be planning to go to Paradise Beach. So बातें बहुत हो गया, अभी फ्रेश अप होना है. फिर if you like this video, don't forget to give a like button and also do subscribe and घंटा बजाओ.
घंटा बजा.
Bye bye.